Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to remove a background in CapCut. So if you have a video in which you don't want the background or you want to place something else, then I'll show you how it can be done. So first you have to make sure you have the CapCut as well as its premium or its standard version. Once you have it, you have to simply open the CapCut app. Once the app gets open, then you have to go to a new project and import the videos of which you want to remove the background. Or you can also go to this option, which is the background remover, if you specifically want to go to this point. Once you have selected the media of which you want to remove the background, it will automatically remove the background. You don't have to further do anything like select the object and remove the background, do a brush, nothing. It will do everything on its own. If you want to add a background, there are different colors, you can select them and every color will be set as a background. You can also select out these designs, and if you want your own image, you can click onto it, import any image of your choice from your gallery, and it will be set as a background. So that's how you can change background in CapCut. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.